Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty in 5 minutes chart we have opened positive only. So there was selling pressure in first 15 to 30 minutes. We have seen the selling pressure, but until the CPR is broken we cannot go for short trade. So we have seen a very good retracement near our upper CPR level, and the CPR was average CPR only, and it was traded near our resistance level only. Slow and steady it has went higher, and in second half also we have seen a very good upside move. So Nifty closed with 146 points positive. So Bank Nifty in 5 minutes chart we have seen a very good gap up open, but it has not sustained. We have seen a sell off and it was traded in our CPR range only. So we have not gone short because there was a trend line of top to bottom and this was our support. Until the two confirmations of breaking this we will go short, but we were waiting for a long opportunity. So after the break of our resistance level we went long and we got a very good long trade. And on Friday also in our analysis we were long only. We have told not to short the market. So Bank Nifty closed with 630 points higher. Now let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player planned. So we will follow by FII in options in put. They were holding 2 lakhs of put buying contract. Now they have unwinded 12,000 contract, and in call they were holding 2 lakh of call buying contract. Now they have added 58,000 contract. So slight positivity we can see in the net buying of options. So they have 2 lakh 72,000 of call buying and 2 lakh of put buying. So in net buying they are positive. And in future index 70% long, 30% short. So no changes, they are still holding a long positions in futures. Stock future percentage 52% long, 48% short, and in cash market they have purchased for only 73 crores. So FII view is super bullish. Client are the retailers in put. They were holding 2.41 lakhs of put buying. They have unwinded most of the put buying in profit and now they have made a fresh put buying contract of 1.34 lakhs. And in call they were holding 3.99 lakhs of call writing contract. They have increased the call writing by 1.04 lakhs. So they have 5 lakhs of call writing contract. Super bearish positions they are holding in options. In future index 45% long, 55% short. It means they have increased the long, reduced the short by 2%, and in cash market they have sold for 279 crores. So see, client they are very much negative now. Promoters input they were holding 22,000 of put writing contract. Today drastically they have increased 3.59 lakhs of put writing. So they have 3.81 lakhs of put writing, and in call they were holding 1.85 lakhs of call buying contract. Now they have increased call buying contract by 46,000. So they have 2.31 lakhs of call buying. Super bullish positions they have in options. Future index 39% long, 61% short. So they have booked 1% of profit in the long side, and in cash market they have purchased for 344 crores. So see, promoters they are super bullish now. DI have purchased for 64 crores, so the cash flow for today was 202 crores. Now we'll check the put call ratio Nifty for the week. Nifty is at 1.55 and Bank Nifty is at 1.56. Slightly it is going into overbought zone, so we have to be careful because the upside movement will be restricted now, because almost it is reaching the 90% of buying levels. So until the PCR is cooled down we cannot think of going long as per the PCR concept. So for month end Nifty is at 1.44 and Bank Nifty at 0.99. So for month end we can see a scope of going higher Bank Nifty, whereas Nifty it has a slight scope. Now let's check the change in OI Nifty, what traders carry forwarding. We have seen call unwinding of 19,500 and 19,650, and super bullish put writing we can see at 19,600. So major support is at 19,600 and major support and resistance comes around 19,700 only. And for Bank Nifty, we have seen call writing unwinding of 44,800 to 45,200, and super bullish put writing we can see from 44,700 to 45,500. So people carry forwarding 45,500 short straddle. So major support resistance comes around 45,500 only. So now Bank Nifty and Nifty both looks positive only as per the change in OI. So now let's check the price action. Dow in 1 day time frame, it is consolidating at the resistance level. They're trading slight positive by 26 points and Nasdaq trading positive by 70 points. Gift Nifty trading super positive by 172 points. They are at 19,772. So India VIX we have seen going up by 6%. They're at 11.3, super positive and very good for the option buyers. Now we'll check Nifty in 1 day time frame. Super positive closing we have seen after the breakout of the consolidation phase. And this is a super bullish candle it has formed today. So as per the price action, it is positive only. Now we'll check Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame. Today see all the sellers got trapped here. This was a very good support level as we discussed on Friday's analysis also. We can see a very good green candle and the sellers will trapped here. So same thing happened today, and now see we have a major resistance of 45,500 to 45,600 levels. After breaking we can see a very good upside move until we have to wait for the breakout, or else still it will consolidate in this range only. Nifty is bullish and Bank Nifty wait and watch. Now mark the algo points. Support and resistance. Nifty support comes around 19,605. Resistance comes around 19,775. Bank Nifty support comes around 44,910. Resistance comes around 45,770. So see, as per the open interest analysis, the data is super bullish. We will not think of shorting, but we will think of going long, keeping a straight stop loss, and we will buy in every dip. Not blindly we have to go long, but we have to wait for some retracement, let the market come to some support levels, or it has to retrace from a very good level, then only we will think of going long. But we will not short the market at these levels. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.